Hi, hello friends, welcome to our channel English Easy Learn. In this contemporary world, we all have forgotten to remember the Lord, isn't it? We ourselves don't have time to pray God or sit and meditate. And where is the time to teach for our generation, that is for our children? Only after the pandemic, we have given more importance for our health, meditation, yoga, exercises, and so on. And I hope this is the right time for you to teach your children few meditation and few hymns or shlokas for your children and make them to remember God at least for 5 minutes a day. So in today's video, I am going to share few of the hymns of both God and Goddess which will help your children to learn easily and apply it in their day-to-day life. Okay, shall we start with the video? First and foremost thing, we always remember or pray Lord Ganesha. So now I shall share Lord Ganesha's hymn. Vakratunda Mahakaya Koti Surya Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvadha Agajanana Padmarkam Gajanana Maharnisham Anekadantam Bhaktanam Ekadantam Upasmaye. Shiva Shloka. Mrityunjayaya Rudraya Neelakanthaya Shambhave Amruteshaya Sharvaya Shri Mahadevaya Namaha. Lakshmi Shloka. Namastestu Mahamaye Shri Pite Surapujite Shankachakra Gada Haste Shri Mahalakshmi Namostute Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharanye Trayambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. Lord Anjaneya Shloka or Hanuman Shloka. Anjana Garbha Sambhutho Vayuputro Mahabala Kumaro Brahmachari Tasmai Shri Hanumate Namaha Manojavam Marutulya Vegam Jitendriyam Buddhimatham Varishtam Vatatmajam Vanarayutha Mukyam Shri Ramadutam Shirasa Namami. Saraswati Shloka. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sadha. Namaste Sharade Devi Kashmira Puravasini Tvamaham Prarthaye Nityam Vidya Buddhincha Dehi Me. Ya Kundendu Tushara Haradavada Ya Shubhra Vastranvita Ya Veena Varadanda Manditakara Ya Shveta Padmasana Ya Brahma Chuta Shankara Prabhutibihi Devai Sadha Pujita Saman Patu Saraswati Bhagavati Nishesha Jadyapaha. Friends, in our ancient Rigveda or in Vedic period, our saints have written many hymns for each and everything. For example, before having the food, they say that we have to thank the God for giving us that complete meal or that complete day filling our stomach. So, for that, they chant Annapurne Sadhapurne Shankara Pranavallabhe Jnana Saubhagya Siddhyartham Bhiksham Dehi Cha Parvati. And before we take bath, they chant Gange Chayamune Chaiva Godavari Saraswati Narmade Sindhu Kaveri Jalesmin Sannidhim Purum. And in the evening, when we light the lamp, we chant Shubham Karoti Kalyani Arogyam Dana Sampadaha Dushta Buddhi Vinashaya Deepar Jyoti Namostute. And we not only thank God and Goddess, but in our Vedic period, we also thank the heavenly bodies such as 9 planets. For that, we chant Namah Suryaya Chandraya Mangalaya Budaya Cha Guru Shukra Shanibhyascha Rahave Ketave Namaha Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityormam Amrutangamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay friends, thank you all. In case if you like my video, please give a comment, like it and share it. And if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.